Hey you guys, it's INFOGAL, and today we have a lender by the name of Capital One. So today specifically we will be talking about the Platinum Secured Credit Card. If you are looking to rebuild your credit with a secured credit card, the Capital One Platinum Secured Card is a good choice. Now this card does not earn any rewards, but it does come with a variety of benefits for cardholders. So they do require a minimum deposit of either $49, $99, or $200. And this is refundable. But after 6 months, they will give you a credit increase of $1,000. Now, the APR for this card is 29.99%. There is no annual fee whatsoever. And again, this card is for specifically rebuilding your personal credit. Now, to get pre approved, there is no hard impact on your credit score whatsoever. Again, no hard impact on your credit score. But of course, if you do accept the terms and the conditions, there will be a hard impact on your credit score. Now, I really like this card. I had this card a few years ago, and it really did help with rebuilding my personal credit. I did see a limit increase after 6 months of $1,000. So again, if you guys are looking to rebuild your credit, the Platinum Secured Card is a great choice. If you would like to see more videos like this, please make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe.